Think walking's too simple to make a difference? Think again. It's your secret weapon for total body health. 1. Boosts mood naturally. Walking triggers endorphins and serotonin, reducing anxiety and stress almost instantly. 2. Sharpens focus and memory. A 20-minute walk can enhance creativity, problem solving, and cognitive clarity. 3. Strengthens the heart. Regular walking lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, protecting you from cardiovascular diseases. 4. Improves digestion. Walking after meals supports gut health, preventing bloating and indigestion. 5. Promotes fat burn. A brisk walk helps the body burn stored fat efficiently while maintaining muscle tone. 6. Protects your joints. It keeps joints flexible and builds strength in supporting muscles, especially around the knees and hips. 7. Enhances sleep quality. Consistent walking lowers cortisol levels, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer,